Oh my God. Yan na. So today guys, ay may snowstorm. Ayan, papasok ako sa work. Grabe guys, oh. Ang ganda. Parang nasa winter wonderland talaga guys, oh. Oh. Ah, ganda. Lakad na tayo guys. Yan, papuntan tayo sa work. Ngayon lang nakapasok ng may snowstorm. Kasi last year pag nag-snowstorm, natataon siya na weekend. So today it's Wednesday guys. Ayan. Beautiful disaster, kumbaga. Punta na sa work guys. Tambuhay Canada. Kahit sobrang snow, pasok pa rin tayo sa work. Nakakapagod maglakad sa ice. Pauwi na tayo guys. Nag-i-snow pa rin pero mahina na lang. Look at our snowman. It's bigger than us, than me. My bear.
How did you make that big snowman? Oh.
Yes.
And then we have to make another one that
Agad. Yeah, it's bigger. What's the name of your snowman? I think that's baliktad. Yan. Baby, have a picture of your snowman. Go. What did you say to Dasha? Thank you, Dasha. I'm so tall. No, take a picture. Sophia. 1, 2, 3. I'll take a picture with Dasha. 1, April now.